Aromatic red cedar organizers from Northern Kentucky Cedar. Our modular organizers allow for easy design and assembly. They are flat-packed, delivered straight to your door. All of our units can be trimmed to easily fit in any space. Upgrade your closet to be a true fit and 100% unique. No two pieces of cedar are the same. We also offer T&G in 3-inch and 4 3/4-inch face. All of our products are made from solid eastern red cedar. Natural finish, no harsh chemicals, preservatives, or dyes added. We have been in business for over 30 years. All of our products are made in Northern Kentucky and all of our cedar is locally sourced. All orders within the U.S., over $200 ship free. See our website for more details, www.northernkycedar.com, or call us at 606-742-2745. We are open from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Terms and conditions apply for purchase. Thanks for watching.